Hello kids, today we learn crawling animals' names.
Snail.
Snail. A slow-moving animal that carries its little home, a shell, on its back.
Worm.
Worm. A soft, wiggly creature that lives in the soil and helps plants grow.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. A colorful, crawling bug that turns into a beautiful butterfly.
Turtle.
Turtle. A gentle reptile that walks slowly and hides inside its hard shell.
Lizard.
Lizard. A quick reptile with scaly skin that loves basking in the sun.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. A large, crawling reptile with a big mouth full of sharp teeth.
Crab.
Crab. A sideways walking sea creature with claws for catching food.
Spider.
Spider. A tiny crawler that spins silky webs to catch insects.
Scorpion.
Scorpion. A desert crawler with a stinger tail for protection.
Centipede.
Centipede. A fast little creature with lots and lots of legs.
Millipede.
Millipede. A slow-moving crawler with even more legs than a centipede.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab. A small crab that lives inside empty shells it finds on the beach.
Chameleon.
Chameleon. A color-changing lizard that crawls on branches and hides easily.
Snake.
Snake. A long, slithering reptile that crawls without legs.
Slug.
Slug. A snail without a shell that slides smoothly on leaves and soil.
Beetle.
Beetle. A small crawling insect with a shiny, hard body.
Ant.
Ant. A tiny crawling insect that works hard and lives in big colonies.
Leech.
Leech. A slimy creature that crawls in water and sticks to other animals.
Newt.
Newt. A small, slimy amphibian that crawls in water and on land.